Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video we are doing a quick little update with the Corvette build. So as you guys have seen, it's been a little while since I've uploaded. It's been like a week or so, and a little bit longer since I've done a video with the Corvette. Last time you guys saw this is when I showed you guys when I put on the new brake caliper to replace the new one that was leaking. Because that was one of the last things we had to do in order to get this thing street worthy. And then once it's on the road, we can start taking it to shops to get quotes for like the paint and everything, because there's clear coat damage everywhere. But the reason for the really big delay in videos is we are trying to figure out, insurance and everything for this, because insuring a Corvette at my age is not exactly the cheapest thing. So go ahead and hit that like button for me. I'm definitely gonna need it, but I think it should be well worth it once this thing is on the road. So I've been calling around a bunch of places getting quotes for the insurance and everything, and so we can get this thing registered and on the road. And then it'll probably be gone for a little bit again when it goes out for the paint job. And speaking of the paint, I believe I found the color that I want to do. So the paint on here, I'll go to this side just because it's, better on here. But the paint on here is actually pretty nice. It's a nice blue. And I think I'm going to just get it repainted this color, just, obviously way nicer, because it does have a nice glisten to it in the nice areas. But I also found a color that goes on like Ford Mustangs and everything like that called Velocity Blue. And it's very similar to the color that's already on the Corvette, just because I don't know what color code this would be even called if they were to need like a name of a color, if they weren't able to like paint match it or something. And Velocity Blue is pretty close, and it looks real nice in person. I saw it on a new Mustang GT, so I'm definitely really considering that. And also I've been considering the future of this car, and obviously I'm going to be driving it around the streets and towns or whatever and having some fun. But one thing I want to do, or was considering doing, was taking this thing to the drag strip with like a bunch of my friends, which would be really fun, and seeing what kind of times this thing would even put down. And then we could work our way from there maybe, and maybe doing like an autocross, because Corvettes are known for their handling skills. And I could definitely see, maybe just making this thing like a drag and autocross car. The best of both worlds, handling and straight line speed. So definitely comment down below if that's something you guys would be interested in, and whether you guys would like more of drag racing at a drag strip or autocross, or just both. And speaking of racing, the headlights that are on here, this is going to be a pretty big purchase because they are really expensive, but the headlights that are on here I'm not really a huge fan of. I think they're kind of ugly. I do like flip-ups better than this look, but I'm not going to get flip-ups even though they do sell kits, because the inside for the Corvettes, they're all the same size. It's just whether or not it has these or, the flip-up covers. But what I'm going to be getting is the L88 FIA racing Corvette headlights. I throw up a couple pictures, but basically they have like the whole clear cover, I guess, for aerodynamics. And this is what goes on all the racing Corvettes for, autocross and Le Mans maybe even. But it's not only just a cover. It replaces all these square ones with circular ones, and it covers all the inside with like a nice like aluminum panel. Even though this is going to be getting all repainted and repaired, I do plan on ordering them and putting them on after the paint job, because that's one less thing to take apart, because there's really no point of installing all of that and then needing to take it off for the paint. But I mean, other than that, this thing has just been chilling, waiting for its time to shine on the road. I literally cannot wait for the first drive. As soon as I get this video up, I'm going to be, oh my God, my roof. Maybe fix that too. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So as soon as I'm done with this video, I've just been trying to get the insurance going with this thing, but like I said, it's pretty pricey to get this thing on the road. But once the time comes, it should be well worth it. This is going to be really fun. But we did all the work that we had to just for now. And I just wanted to keep you guys updated as to what was going on with this thing and what I plan on doing with this thing once we can take it out on the road. Because right now, there's really nothing I can really do to it without testing it on the road and seeing what else it may need. But I just wanted to make this quick little video just to update you guys about everything with the Corvette. Just because of the big pause in the videos. It's kind of just a chill time right now, and just waiting for stuff to come together. And instead of pumping out a bunch of videos of just random stuff. I've always went by quality over quantity, and I've just been seeing a bunch of comments asking where I've been, and that's exactly why. I just haven't been wanting to make a bunch of just filler videos just to keep views up or anything like that. I'd rather give you guys quality content that you guys can enjoy, but sometimes it's going to be worth the wait. And even though I'm like literally can't wait any longer just to drive this thing once and for all, I know that the wait will be well worth it. But anyway, guys, with that being said, I'm going to be ending off the video here. Very short video for you guys, but just a quick little update, just letting you guys know about what's going on with this thing. But comment down below on what you guys would like to see for the future of this car. More autocross, more drag race, a little bit of both. But follow my social medias. They will be on the outro of this video. Instagram and Snapchat I use the most. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel. And stay tuned for more awesome content coming soon.